In this video, we are going to talk about health issues in French, okay? Or how do you say you are sick? How do you wish someone a speedy recovery? And the rest. You ready? Let's get started. Being sick in French is être malade. Être malade.
The French master GH, the French master GH, the French master GH, the French master GH.
TheFrenchMasterGH.com.
Learn French the easy way.
Being sick in French is être malade. Être malade. Donc, je suis malade. Je suis malade. I'm sick. I'm ill. Or you can also say, je me sens pas bien. Je ne me sens pas bien. Or you say, je me sens pas bien. I'm not feeling well. Comment tu te portes? Je me sens pas bien. How are you doing? I'm not feeling well. Assuming someone asks you, what's wrong with you? Tu es malade? Tu as quoi? And you can say, oh, j'ai la fièvre. I have fever. Okay? Or j'ai mal à la tête. J'ai mal à la tête. I have a headache. I have a headache. J'ai mal à la tête. J'ai mal au ventre. J'ai mal au ventre. J'ai mal au genou. J'ai mal au ventre. I have stomach ache. Okay? So maladie is sickness. Hospital is l'hôpital. Okay? Je suis malade, donc je veux aller à l'hôpital. I am sick, so I want to go to the hospital. Je suis malade, je veux aller à l'hôpital. Right? Okay, so how do you wish someone a speedy recovery? You can say, oh, je te souhaite un prompt rétablissement. Je te souhaite un prompt rétablissement. Or you can simply say prompt rétablissement. Okay? Or prends soin de toi. Prends soin de toi. You can also say je te souhaite un bon rétablissement. So you can either say bon rétablissement or prompt rétablissement. Right? Okay. We also have les symptômes. Les symptômes. Les symptômes is symptoms. So when you go to the hospital and you see the doctor, okay, le médecin. When you go to the hospital, quand tu vas à l'hôpital, tu vois un médecin ou bien un docteur, okay? The reason why I don't want to be using doctor is that you have doctor, you have book doctor, and then you have medical doctor. So medical doctor, you can say médecin. Or it's still not wrong to say un docteur. If the sentence talks about health issues, someone will know, the person will know that you are talking about a medical doctor. But when you say un médecin, directly you are addressing a medical doctor. Right? Okay, donc je suis malade, je suis stressé. I'm so much stressed. Okay, donc je prends mes médicaments. Je prends mes médicaments. OK? Ou bien je vais acheter mes médicaments à la pharmacie. Je vais acheter les médicaments à la pharmacie. I'm going to buy drugs at the pharmacy. Or le médecin m'a prescrit des médicaments. The doctor prescribed drugs for me to buy at the pharmacy. Okay, so we talk extensively about health issues in French. If there are other things you don't know about health issues, you can ask in the comment section.